Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use a firework in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to hold the firework. You can open up your backpack and then select the firework. And for your information, I got all my fireworks from completing quest. And wait, let me choose my firework. I'm going to choose this one, the colorful fountain firework, and then I'm going to hold it. And then we're going to find a place to put this firework on. And I'm just going to place it here. Okay, just like this. And then I'm going to light the firework. Okay. And whoa. Okay, this is beautiful. And yeah, that's so simple, guys. You just need to hold the firework and place the firework and then light up the firework. Wow, it's cool. Okay, guys, and that's how you can use firework in Heartopia game. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.